Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about anorexia. Anorexia means no willingness to eat food. I know each one of us at some point of our time we go through anorexia. The reason anorexia means not willingness to have food. In Ayurveda, it is called by a Sanskrit name that is called aruchi. Aruchi means you don't have any willingness to have food. Food is right in front of you, but you don't want to eat it. There can be many reasons behind it why we lose our willingness to have food. So in this video we are going to understand in details what is the Ayurveda aspect of not willingness to have food or aruchi. So let's understand why this happens and what are the reasons behind it and how we can come out of it. In most of the people this condition occur because of sedentary lifestyle, like their lifestyle is very lazy, like they don't want to work on themselves. Many times this happen, everybody went to certain conditions in which his lifestyle becomes very sedentary, very lazy, and in these situations most of the times we feel this anorexia. And in some conditions it also happen like there is a underlying disease behind it, like you have a good lifestyle, you are doing everything correct, you are going for job or your work, you are involving yourself into your day-to-day life activity, but for some reasons you don't feel like eating. So sometimes the reason this sometimes this anorexia just act as a symptom and there is an underlying disease behind it, and most commonly these diseases which lies behind anorexia is fever. It's the most common disease. Whenever we have fever, we don't feel like eating. Amalpit, that is some kind of toxins. If we have a lot of toxins in our stomach deposited, and we feel like our stomach is not being cleansing properly, and proper digestion of food is not been happening, and a lot of ama, that is toxins being produced, then also this anorexia problem develops. And most of the times the reason behind it is not proper digestive fire, and food is not being digested properly, that leads to anorexia. Many times it is jaundice because in many people jaundice remains undiagnosable, because unless this the eye this conjunctiva become yellow, or people waiting for the symptoms like nails will become yellow. So that time sometimes they could not observe these symptoms of jaundice, and then also this anorexia develop as a symptom. In some cases it is colitis or diseases related to colon, so that also leads to anorexia or loss of appetite. So there are many underlying diseases behind anorexia, but if there is no underlying disease behind anorexia but still you are feeling anorexia, like no willingness to have food, so we are going to discuss all those things. When there is no underlying pathophysiology of a big disease under anorexia, like we don't have fever, we don't have jaundice, we don't have any tuberculosis, we don't have colitis, or no any other disease is there, but still there is no willingness to have food. So Ayurveda aspect explains like that means there is imbalance of Vata and Pitta dosh. Most of the times when these two doshas got imbalanced, because Pitta dosh is more related to digestive fire, and if we have some problem related to digestion, means our Pitta dosh, especially the Pachak Pitta, that is the sub dosha of Pitta dosh, that has been imbalanced, and that's why the food is not being digested properly, and when previous food has not been digested properly, we have no willingness to eat the new food, and we are very resistant to food. And next dosh which is involved in this kind of anorexia or aruchi is called Vata dosh. So Vata dosh, because air and fire both are needed for the proper digestion of food. So for some reasons if Vata got imbalanced, for example if Vata become very high, then it disturbs the digestive fire. When Vata become very low, then also it disturbs the digestive fire. So it becomes very important, if we need like our food should digest it properly, the Vata dosh should be in balance. because most of the times this happen if this anorexia and in this digestive fire remain imbalanced for long, then ultimately it produce this ama means toxins, and that got deposited into various parts of our body and ultimately invited chronic ailments. So if somebody is feeling anorexia and lost his willingness to have food, we should always go and figure out the reason and cure it. Sometimes we also should not ignore, like sometimes we go through some kind of psychological changes, like sometimes we go through a lot of fear, anger, anxiety, or a lot of grief. That time also this willingness to have food dies. So if we are also going through some this kind of problem, we should make sure to adopt the proper methods and methodologies that been present that are available. Like for fear, anger, anxiety, we can take the help of yoga and meditation. That is extremely beneficial for our emotional health. Also, we need to make sure like our food should not be too much oily, because sometimes this happen if the food we are eating, if it is extremely oily, if it's too much oily that food is, then also that disturbs our digestive fire. Too much oily food disturbs digestive fire, and especially if you are pitta body type, it disturbs in a big way, and then also a person is not having any willingness to have food. So this excessive oily food can also be the reasons for anorexia. If there is some underlying cause like any kind of disease, any kind of jaundice, fever, loose motions, bad stomach, so these kind of problems also we need to rule out when we are figuring out the reasons of anorexia. Like it is because if it is because of some disease like fever, then it is easy for us to rule out. Like once fever will subside, once we come out of some kind of infection or disease, naturally the hunger will restart in the body naturally. But if these are not the reasons and just anorexia is there, then we need to take care of. For example, if these big reasons are not these big diseases are not responsible for anorexia and still you are feeling anorexia, then there are certain herbs in Ayurveda that's been mentioned which you can use in your daily day-to-day life and make your health better. One of these things is ginger. You can have ginger tea, like you take 2 slices of ginger, but make sure you should not have any other underlying disease. It is just for some unknown reason if you are feeling anorexia, like there should be no fever, no disease, no jaundice. But in those cases what you can do, take ginger, cut 2 slices of ginger, take 1 cup of water, crush that ginger and boil that ginger in that cup of water for 15 minutes, and after that switch off the gas, let it cool down at room temperature, and now this decoction you can drink after having food. Slowly it will make your taste buds much active, and it will also balance your digestive fire, and you will start feeling hungry in second day. In addition to that, whenever you are taking fruits, because whenever you have anorexia, don't force yourself to just put food inside. You start with having fruits, because fruits are something like if you have lost appetite, then you start eating fruits, especially citrus fruits. If you can have oranges, watermelon, muskmelon. So these kind of fruits, or pomegranate, it is extremely beneficial. If you have lost hunger, you just put little bit of rock salt into these fruits and start having these fruits. Slowly it will make your digestive fire active again, and you will start feeling hunger. Because these fruits, especially this pomegranate, it has extreme benefits in anorexia. If you are feeling anorexia, you start having pomegranate juice. One thing is your body accept this pomegranate juice very easily. It helps in making your taste buds active and bring your hunger back. So that would be extremely beneficial for you. And slowly if you keep doing this daily, you will see that hunger, if there is no any other underlying pathology, your hunger will start working again. And drink enough water, because especially if you are pitta prakriti person, if you are not drinking water, then also you will land into this loss of appetite or anorexia. So that's all for today. If you have any questions regarding anorexia, you please write to us. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. And if you have not subscribed us, please take a second and click the bell icon, so that you will stay in touch with our daily videos. And with this, I would like to wish you stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care, and stay connected with us. Don't forget to write your questions. I will try my best possible way to answer your questions. Till then, bye. Take care.